Chapter 3 Dinosaurs. Lesson 9 Learning from Fossils.
Key words: dinosaur, fossil, ancient, guess, flat, footprint.
Learning from fossils. How do we know about dinosaurs? Fossils teach us. Fossils are things from ancient plants and animals. They are found in rocks. Scientists learn from bone and teeth fossils. They use leg bones to guess a dinosaur's height. Teeth fossils tell what dinosaurs ate. Sharp teeth are from meat eaters, but flat teeth are from plant eaters. Footprint fossils show how dinosaurs walked and ran. Some dinosaurs walked on 2 feet. Others walked on 4 feet. When a dinosaur ran, it left footprints far apart. Egg fossils show that dinosaurs came from eggs. Many dinosaurs made nests on the ground for their eggs. In 1993, scientists found a dinosaur fossil. It was sitting on eggs like a bird. Dinosaurs died long ago, but we still learn about them from their fossils.
Lesson 10 The world's greatest fossil hunter. Key words: collect, skull, cliff, storm, skeleton, museum. The world's greatest fossil hunter. Dinosaurs and other ancient animals left fossils. Do you think only famous scientists discover them? Actually, a 12-year-old British girl found many important fossils. Mary Anning liked collecting fossils along the beach. In 1811, she and her brother found a strange skull. It was on the side of a cliff. The skull was over 1 meter long. It looked different from other animals. In 1812, there was a big storm. Rocks fell from the cliffs by the sea. Anning found the animal's whole skeleton after the storm. It lived in the sea long ago. Over the years, Anning found more bones from other ancient animals. Scientists studied these bones. We can see some of them in museums today. Anning helped people learn about the world long ago. Now she is called the world's greatest fossil hunter.
Lesson 11 Tyrannosaurus rex and Apatosaurus.
Key words: giant, jaw, tear, reach, rake, gather.
Tyrannosaurus rex and Apatosaurus. Tyrannosaurus rex and Apatosaurus are famous dinosaurs, but they did not live at the same time. They were very different dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex, T-Rex for short, was as long as a bus. It weighed almost 7 tons and ran on 2 legs. T-Rex was a meat eater. It had giant, powerful jaws. It used them to catch and kill other dinosaurs for food. T-Rex's sharp teeth helped it tear its food. Apatosaurus was bigger than T-Rex. It was as long as 2 buses. It weighed almost 38 tons and walked on 4 legs. Apatosaurus ate plants. With its long neck, it could reach high leaves. Apatosaurus's teeth looked like a rake. It used them to gather leaves from branches. Which dinosaur do you like better, T-Rex or Apatosaurus? Lesson 12. Spending time with dinosaurs.
Key words: trip, hike, reel, ground, guide, horn.
Spending time with dinosaurs. Last weekend, my family took a trip to Alberta, Canada. We visited 2 famous dinosaur places there. On Saturday, we went to Dinosaur Provincial Park. We hiked to a special area. There were real dinosaur bones in the ground. Our guide told us there was a big flood. It killed hundreds of dinosaurs and left many fossils. We learned how to look for fossils. We found dinosaur bones and teeth. We found dinosaur poop, too. Ew. The next day, we drove to the Royal Tyrrell Museum. Dinosaur Hall was my favorite part of the museum. There were about 40 dinosaur skeletons inside. We saw T-Rex and Triceratops. I really liked Triceratops. It had 3 horns on its face. It also had a big plate on its head. Learning about dinosaurs was very interesting and fun.